How to unmute WhatsApp chat. So let's get started. First, launch the WhatsApp app on your phone. Scroll down, then find and open the chat that is currently muted. It will have a muted speaker icon. Tap the chat. Tap chat name at the top. This opens the chat info page. Here you will be able to see the notification icon. Tap on it. Now, unmute the notification by toggling it off. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.